Hello, I'm Abhinandan Sinha. I'm an assistant professor at the Amrut Mody School of Management of Ahmedabad University and the chair of the new program of Masters in Quantitative Economics. So, by now, some of you may have already come to have known about our new program that we have launched, and the admissions is on process. We are going to start the classes from August 2023. And many people have many different questions about why this program, what is new about it here at Ahmedabad University, and here I am to answer the few of your queries to my best. So what is quantitative about economics? Why is the need for a new program in quantitative economics when there are so many programs of economics at the master's level? Now, some of you must already know that quantitative economics is a very upcoming and popular program abroad. And in India, we are probably the second institute who is going to offer such a program. Now, we are as similar as to the upcoming programs abroad as different. Let me start from here. What is quantitative in economics? For example, today, if you look around in your life today, you look anywhere, any sphere of the society, there is data. So any study, few years down the line, any subject is going to change massively. And the mechanism, the bridge is technology. Technology is changing our world rapidly, faster than what even we can imagine. And it's generating huge amount of data, amount that we can't even imagine. What do we do with this data? How to read this data? How to interpret? What skills do we need for the data? This is not at all I want to say that the basic theories are not applicable anymore. But adding to that, we need many more computational techniques. That is where we pitch in. It's as much traditional a program as a modern program going to be relevant for many more years. The basic fundamentals, the basic theories, the mathematical models, the philosophical debates, as much is there in this program as the computational techniques, statistics, machine learning, big data analytics, and whatnot. And this is where we stand different. We stand different that when you look at the programs abroad, you will see most of them are of a shorter duration, whereas we offer an entire taught full 2 years master's program. The difference is, of course, not only in its length, but in its quality. You have as much choice possible as the electives, making it as much an interdisciplinary program you want, but after fulfilling some basic necessary components as the core courses, which are a perfect mix of computational economics as well as traditional economic theories. There is an internship at the end of the first year in the summer, which will make you both research savvy as well as industry savvy, in the sense that you can do the internship both in a research organization or in any industrial sector that we will facilitate and help you to get in. We have a compulsory program, basic foundation program in business communications, in research writing, academic writing, R language, C language, computer programming up to Python. It's compulsory. We have courses ranging from machine learning in finance and economics to big data analytics in economics. And one of the most unique features of this program is reading economic history compulsory as a core, like the computational economics courses. I think this is really unique to get anywhere in the world. So that's why where we emphasize that we are a value addition in this world of intellectual pursuit of economics rather than only a mere technical program. We also offer all the basic courses on quantitative methods, mathematics and statistics. So any person with varying degrees of background will be able to acquire them, brush up their skills, and a basic quantitative aptitude is only what we are looking for, rather than someone who is very strong in maths. That's not necessarily what we are looking for. For example, look at the subjects of political economy or development, which are initially thought of to be very non-quantitative. Now look at the recent Nobel Prizes. Look at the randomized controlled trials which we were used to do in hospitals for medicines. Look at the trials that we were used to do earlier in agriculture, in design of experiments, that we are doing now in social science laboratories, in fields, in everywhere, and that is what is generating policy. It's evidence-based policy. All of this is quantitative. That is how the subject has changed, and that is how the subject will change, keep on changing much more rapidly than we can think. This is what makes the program unique. This is what makes us unique in offering the program. And lastly, but most importantly, we as Ahmedabad University has the ethos of interdisciplinarity as the core character of the institute, as well as any graduate passing out from here. Here in general, we are placed with all different schools of different subjects together, and not necessarily that all schools have different subjects, but even the subjects of many apparently different blends of mind are blended together in the same school to maximize the exchanges of interdisciplinarity. And this is not only in rhetoric. Look at our programs, look at our each and every curriculum, events. It's an entire process, a journey, an experience which tries to change the outlook of any pupil getting admitted here. It's a journey, it's an exercise that we the teachers also go through with the pupils, as well as even when you face real life problems after graduating from here, all throughout your life, you get to have a different perspective of looking at a problem, of trying to solve the problem from multiple disciplines, multiple points of views, multiple perspectives, multiple skills. And that is what we want to offer here in general in each of our programs, courses, curriculum altogether. Hence, I strongly believe Ahmedabad University and this unique program